Hey, and welcome back to PLP. Today I'm going to be going through a quick video demonstration of how to sign up, get your application set up, and do a quick design. So to create an account, click the Try for Free button on our homepage, which is www.powerlinespro.com, and then you'll be taken to a user registration form. Fill in these details and then click Sign Up to create your account. Otherwise, if you already have an account like myself, you can type in your account details here and log in. Now, once you're logged into the app, you'll see that you're presented with a pop-up. At the top of the pop-up, you have 3 presets to start from. These are just example libraries and constructions that you can use to start designing. Otherwise, if you have a particular template file, such as an essential energy template file, you can start from it here. So I'm going to click Start from Model File and bring in that template file for myself. You can find this template file in the description of this video below. Once you've selected that model file, you'll be presented to a blank canvas like so. And if you click your libraries, you'll be able to see that you've got a pole library, a conductor library, and construction library like so, with all familiar names. You'll also have your environments and clearances set up. On the left you have your design tools, and on the top you have your menu bar. On the right you have your properties tab, and this is your main view. Now to start designing, you're going to want to bring in a map overlay first. I'm going to type in Bathurst and bring in a map overlay from this town here. I'm going to zoom into Kelso and I'm going to click once on this intersection, and this will automatically bring in the map overlay into my design area. Now once a map overlay is in, I'm going to want to start placing some poles down this main road. I can use the conductor tool to place multiple poles within one session. If I left click once, this will place a pole down, and if I click again, they'll place another pole down. When you've finished placing poles, you can then right click to exit the tool. Now once you've created that conductor circuit, you might want to change some characteristics of it, such as the number of cables, the conductor type, or the pole type. You might also want to create a tee-off from one pole to another. And with a tee-off, you might want to change the attachment height on pole 3, for example. Now these are all dynamic changes that you can do in PLP with beautiful 3D visualization that will aid you with your design. You can also quickly check the worst case tip load of all your poles by clicking View and selecting Utilization under Coloring. Overloaded poles will appear in red with a percentage figure on top and a heat map on the pole itself. You can then problem solve to make sure to fix all these different tip load failures by adding an opposing stay or changing the pole type, and you'll see the software dynamically recalculate the tip load on top. Now you see that whilst you're designing, your profile view will dynamically update so you can see whether you're meeting or failing your clearance requirement that you've established. For this particular stretch on this road here, I might change that to 8 meters. And now that will allow me to push out my poles as needed and delete poles wherever necessary. This will really maintain a safe clearance between the conductor and the ground. You can click on poles to add stays, and that will make the pole pass. You can also check if your conductor is passing or not in the different environments. You can also do object modeling to check the distance between a construction and a building, for example like this. You can cut conductors using the cut tool. You can also join conductors back using the join tool. You can also add in manual survey points if you have a few survey points you want to model. For example, I can click the survey tool and select a point on the ground to place a point down, and then adjust the Z, X, Y dimensions as necessary. Otherwise, I can also import a survey file by clicking Import from CSV or Import from DXF. Further down, you can build a profile by using the Profile Builder tool. I can clear my selection and then select poles that I need to be shown. I can also use the Ground Clearance Measurement tool to check the ground clearance between the conductor and the ground beneath. Now that was a quick basic design introduction to PLP. If you want to look at further material to supplement your design journey, you can look at our YouTube channel for other videos, or you can go to our support desk, which is attached to this video in the description below, and they'll have plenty of forums, tutorials, or posts for you to follow through. You can also reach out to us using the support intercom function at the bottom right. This will allow you to get in touch with a team member in real time. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it helped you a lot.